What the science?
Mr. S, what do we have here?
Dr. A, don't you remember our episode on alternative energy? We are going to use a solar-powered pizza oven to heat up our pizza. As you can see, we need a pizza box, and we built one here.
And some foil paper.
That's right. We need to line the inside of the pizza oven with aluminum foil. Do you know why?
Because that reflects the solar
energy,
and that will create the heat.
Well, and aluminum foil is really great at absorbing heat really fast. The only problem is that we need a way for the energy to come in, so we had to open up a window into the box using the box cutter. And obviously, we need a way for the light to reflect into the box, so we lined this part here also with some aluminum foil. But you might think, well, how are we going to prevent heat from leaving the box? Well, if you look at the inside here, we put some foil wrap, or actually some saran wrap, into the inside so that the heat can get in, but it doesn't get out.
Genius.
And then, I don't know if you noticed, we have two plates there.
Yeah.
And they're two different colors. One is white and one is dark.
Yeah.
Why would I have two different colored plates available?
I think because they absorb heat differently and solar energy differently.
Exactly. Black absorbs heat a lot faster. And if you want to learn more, they should check out our episode on alternative energy.
What the science?